Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about Nifty hedging. So most of the people are not aware like what is hedging. So hedging is like nothing like we are going to buy two positions at a time. Like for example, PE and CE at a time. So I am going to show you the same thing in a live market. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon to get notification if I upload any new videos. So kindly subscribe and enable the bell icon. Okay, let us come to the topic. So how we are going to do hedging? So today you can see the live market. So in a live market, I am going to show you how we are going to do a hedging technique today. So the first thing is that when you are going to do a hedging, the first thing we have to add the Nifty here. So how we can add the Nifty? So you can go here like 9,000. You can see the rate of 9,050 is 6 rupees. So we can do select one more Nifty here. So same way we have to go to option chain. So here you can see the C rate. Okay, so 100 is only 7 rupees. So we have to add this now. So these are the two things we have selected now. So if you go to watch list, we can see which are the things we have selected. So both are at 7 rupees now. So the first thing we are going to buy the C here. Now we directly go here, enter here. So we are going to enter one quantity. So our risk level will be very less here because the maximum loss will be 7 rupees or 8 rupees. So immediately give carry forward and submit. So we have taken one position now. So we have taken a C position right now. So in the same way we have to take a P position also immediately before market going up. So now we have to again go PE, go to buy position. Here you can see buy one position and give limit, and here you can make us carry forward. So immediately you have to place both orders because otherwise there will be a sudden movement. So that time you will not able to get profit. So right now you can see like what is my buying price. So both are almost 8 rupees I have buy. Okay, the both C and P I have taken now. So this is a hedging technique. Okay, if market is like moving up like maybe 100 points from here, this 8 can become like even 100 also. And we can, the maximum loss will be the PE side. Okay, the PE side the maximum loss will be 8 point. So the total investment is like 8 plus 8 is 16 rupees, almost 1000 rupees you are spending for this. So your maximum risk is 1000 rupees, whereas if you are getting profit, you can make like even 200 points also, it can go up. So this technique will like mostly you have to try only on Thursday. Okay, because today is on Thursday, it is an expiry day, because you can see the expiry date also here. So during the expiry date, like the rate of the shares will be, see you can see the 11th June, today is 11th June, it's expiry date. So that is the reason the rate is very near. Okay, the strike rate, if you are going like around 50 points up, because you can see the Nifty current rate is 10,000 and 10,100 is only 5 to 7 rupees. So that is the reason you are able to buy nearby the strike rates. So always during the expiry day, you can do a hedging technique, or if there is a news, okay, like there is a good news is coming, like there is a corporate tax reduction or something good news, that time also you can do this kind of things. Okay, you can do a hedging thing. You can either buy one CE and PE, and if there is a good movement in the market, you can make a good profit. Like if you can hold this one for 1 week also, like for example, you know, like last week the Nifty was almost 9,000 and now it is 10,000. So within 1 week 10,000 movement. So you would have taken a hedging on that time. Within 1 week you would have got more than 200 to 300 points. So that is advantage of hedging. So this is to protect your loss. So you are buying one CE side and one PE side, and there is a disadvantage also. When you are by hedging, there can be one problem. Okay, when you are hedging, if things are like in between, if it is like Nifty is not moving up and down, so both can go to zero also. So you can lose the entire amount also. So there is a risk as well, and this is like you are doing like what you can say, like you are doing like you are taking little bit risk, and maybe sometimes your risk can be rewarded with a huge profit. So this is a simple method where you can apply. So now you can see like almost my you can see always you have to calculate here like what is the total investment. So 9 plus 8 is almost 17 sorry, see 9 plus 8, okay, almost 17 rupees you are invested here. So you have to see the 17 points now. So after 17 points, there is a movement, you will be getting profit. So you can go to your order book and see like how much movement is going to happen here. So overall movement you have to see here. So now you have to log into your Nifty position. So currently you can see the rate. Okay, now the CE is coming down and the P is going up. So almost now 16 rupees are there. Okay, so 1 rupees is down now from your buying price. So that is the reason I am telling, like, there is a risk as well. So if there is a huge movement or if there is a news, then only we have to go with hedging. Otherwise it will be like it will be coming down. So both the price will be coming down. So we will be getting a loss. So instead of that, whenever we are trading, we should know, like, if there is a good news in the market, or on those time we can do, and during the expiry day we can do, because the rate will be less. So the chances of getting profit is high. So now you can see the price movement now. Okay, so now it is almost like the PE side is almost now 17 rupees and the CE side is only 2 rupees. So almost now 20 points. So total investment is 17 points. Now it is 20 points. So almost 3 points now we can book now. So that is advantage I was telling, like, see, if you are going with any news, because today there is an AGR meeting, news was going on in the Supreme Court. So we know that the market is going to fall down today. So that is only reason I went for a hedging. So that is the reason I told, whenever there is a news based, okay, if there is a corporate tax or anything news is coming, then we can do a hedging. The same way we can do a hedging, like if it is on the Thursdays, because the price will be less, so your risk will be maximum around 1000 rupees or 1500 rupees risk, and sometimes this can be go even 100 points up also if there is a huge movement. So that is how we can see. Right now we can see almost 18 points are there. So 18 points is like almost 1 point is my profit. So 1 point also almost 75 rupees I can get. So right now you can see the position, like one is 17 and one is 60 paisa. So that is the reason I am telling, like, either one of them will go as 0. So there is a risk involved. Okay. So in case if it is not moving like both side, then both will go 0. So there is a risk also. Like, because today I know there is a meeting and the market will go up. So right now I can see, like, one is I am getting profit. So the one side, because market is going down. So that is the reason I can get a profit on P side, and the C side will go 0. So that is a like expiry strategy. Okay, like expiry, like either if the level is not crossing, then one will go as 0. So that is the strategy of expiry, because C you can see 10,100, because that level is very far now. So the market is not going to reach that level. It means that thing will go as 0. The PE side you can see, like 9,950. It is like almost it is Nifty is reached to that level. So that is the reason it is not going 0. Once if this level is crossed, then you can expect like more than 20 to 30 points movement also. So that can happen. Now you can see the movement is like little bit faster also. Now it is 18 points. So almost 1 to 2 points you are getting profit now. If you are booking now, you will be getting around 1 or 2 points. So 2 points also you can make around 150 rupees. So that is advantage actually when you are doing an hedging. So hedging is very easy, and easily you can make the profit also. The main thing, if there is a news or some current event issues are going on, or something is happening in the market, that time only you have to do hedging. So now you can see the price now it is almost 24. Okay, so 24 means almost 5 to 6 rupees I am booked now. So what I can do in this situation? So immediately you have to go to order book. Now we know that P is moving up, so we have bought P at 9 rupees. So immediately you have to go to PE, then you can place a stop loss. So this is to safeguard your profit. Okay, so our total investment is 17 rupees. So what we are going to do, we are going to keep a 22 at stop loss. So you have to enter 22, then you can submit. Now what will happen? Now 22 rupees means almost 4 rupees we are booked now, because our stop loss is 22. Sorry, almost 5 rupees we are booked, because our total investment was 17 rupees, and now we have kept a stop loss on 22. So almost 5 rupees we are booked. If my market is going reverse also, we will be getting 5 points. Okay. So now we can see almost 23 now. Current rate is 23. Okay. And the C side you can see, C side is like almost 0 now. So that one you can just leave it off, because there is no use of keeping stop loss or anything else. now you can see that your order is executed now at 22. So now what you have to do means you have to go to position and you have to square off this order also, because this order will be now pending. So directly you have to go and you have to do a square off here. You have to make it to market, then you can submit. So both order are executed now. So you can see here the buy side was 7.70 and 8.80. So almost 17 rupees you have invested there. So right now you can see your booked your sell value is almost 22.50. So almost 5 points you have booked, and you can see the profit also. Here you can see from the Nifty I have booked almost I booked 1000 rupees. So here you can see my loss was like here you can see this one is minus. Okay, so this minus is like my loss was 500 rupees. Out of 500 minus 1000, so almost 500 rupees I have booked by hedging. So this is a easy method. Okay, this is only with one lot I am showing you. With one lot I am almost booked 500 rupees. With my risk was very less. So hope this hedging is very interesting, and if you want to know more about hedging, please contact me, and hope this topic is very clear. And also if anyone wanted to join to my group also, you can join. Here also daily I'll be providing you calls based on the stocks. Okay, stocks as of now there will be only stock calls, so you can join and you can start earning also. The same way you can visit my YouTube channel Lebin EJ, and you can see a lot of videos related to market. So once you join to my Telegram, my YouTube channel, you can go through my videos and understand how market is functioning, because I upload a lot of videos related to market. If anyone interested to open account with Angel Broking application, you can contact me. The link I have mentioned here. You can click on the link and you can open the account. Any clarification required, you can contact me. So kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately when I upload videos. So thanks for watching.